Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Pro. Today we have 2016 Ford Focus, stock number 6570. This ran from 7th 2015 and 11th 2018. It has an LZ 1.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the LZ 1.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. Front guard, no dents. Left front 19-inch aftermarket wheel, good tyre. Front bonnet, no dents. Left front door mirror. Left front door, 2 dents. Left rear door, no dents. Left rear 19-inch aftermarket wheel, good tyre. Left rear tail light. Rear tailgate, 1 dent. Right rear tail light. Right rear 19-inch aftermarket wheel, good tyre. Right rear door, no dents. Right front door, 1 dent. Right front door mirror. Right front 19-inch aftermarket wheel, good tyre. Right front door code. Right front master switch. Centre console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory single stack touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,